let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated.
What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American.
All right, guys, today we've got another sovereign citizen disaster in court. This dude refuses to pay his rent and walks in like the law doesn't apply to him. He's fumbling through his script like he just Googled it last night. I mean, seriously, does. He thinks saying, "I'm a sovereign citizen," is some kind of magic spell. Spoiler, it's not. Stick around, because the judge is about to shut this nonsense down fast. Let's get into it.
Hello, this is Mr. Raleigh. I'm here on the matter. I couldn't.
See you. All right, Mr. Riley, thank you for, that was gonna be my suggestion, to log out and log back in, but you did use the chat.
I am here on that matter, My Honor. I am, for the record, on the record, and let the record show I am not a 13th Amendment free Negro slave, nor chattel, nor 14th Amendment United States corporate citizen. I am a national, I am a Moorish American, and I have standing ancestral Mr. Moroccan Empire, the adjoining islands by inheritance, but not by purchase, Moorish pedigree. I am competent, I am allodial, and I'm liberated. I am, all rights reserved and retained without prejudice or recourse. Certificate registration number AA 7786 March 25th, 1848 AD, corresponding to the Moorish calendar 1368. Copyright owner C.M. Bays. Clock of Destiny, March 25th, 48 AD. MC 1368. Certificate registration number AA 209316, March 31st, 1952 AD. MC 1327. Masonry plus art, astrology, history, and geography. Clock of Destiny 2, reused edition of the previous book of Clock of Destiny, Title 22, Chapter 2, Council Courts General Information. And certificate registration number AA 222141, September 8th, 1952, AD, MC 1372, Clock of Destiny, Moorish American, all Moroccan nationality card or identification with Zodiac Constitution, and certificate AA 222141 is the focus of the determination for the without a doubt affirming relationship of the relation.
Well, hey, credit where it's due. I didn't expect this guy to read that whole thing without completely crashing. Reading can be a real challenge for most sovereign citizens, but honestly, this one gave it his best shot. It kind of sounded like he was reading a dramatic poem or something, affirming relation with the relationship. Like, what does that even
mean?
You just know he found that script online somewhere. There's no way he came up with that word salad on his own. The mix of confusing phrases and awkward pauses was giving me a bit of a headache, not gonna lie. But hey, that's kind of what you expect when someone tries to outsmart the court using buzzwords and legal nonsense. Still, I gotta ask, do you think he actually believes this stuff, or is he just pretending? Let me know in the comments. Now let's jump back in and see where this goes.
Relationship property venue as law between the Moorish Franks and all foreign Christian nations. Title 8, United States Code 1324, federally protected Moors.
What did they say about the Christian nations? What you just said about, this only apply to the Christian nations?
It says other foreign Christian nations.
Other foreign Christian nation. What is a Christian nation?
What is a Christian nation? Well, that I would not know because I am a Moorish American. I'm more into being related to Moorish American ideology.
I was just trying to figure out, I was just listening. I'm listening in. All right. Okay. Well, I have you checked in, Mr. Riley.
Okay.
And Ms. Haddad, are you requesting legal counsel?
No.
I don't know about you guys, but this sovereign citizen gives off major class clown trying to sound smart energy. Like you can tell he really thinks he's nailing this legal performance, but it's just not landing. And the best part? The judge isn't even fazed. He's just calmly letting this guy ramble, waiting for that perfect moment to shut it all down. It's honestly like watching someone walk straight into a trap they set for themselves. Let's dive back in and see how this all plays out, because it only gets better from here.
Yes, Judge.
Calling case number 233455509. This is Harriet Tubman Apartments versus Brian Riley and all occupants.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. For the record, Rania Haddad, P84927 on behalf of the plaintiff.
And Mr. Riley, can you please just state your name? Let's see, I want to prompt you to.
A minute. Okay. For the record, my name is Brian D. Raleigh. Hello?
All right. Yes, yes, sir. Thank you. All right, were parties able to work out some type of resolution?
Yes, Your Honor. The parties have agreed to enter into a conditional dismissal with box 4B checked. Mr. Raley's balance due and owing is $2,088.46. He will pay he's going to pay $742 on the 5th of every month, beginning on 5/5/2023. That $742 includes his $542 of monthly rent per month, and then an additional $200 towards the balance. So he will pay on the 5th of every month, starting on May 5th, 2023, $742 until the balance reaches zero. And then after the balance is zero, he will resume his regular monthly rent.
And the regular monthly rent is $542, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
So $200 extra. Is it 2088.44?
It is 2088.46.
0.46. Okay. All right. And is 4B checked?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Mr. Riley, do you understand the terms of this agreement?
Yes, I do.
All right. If you make those payments, your matter will be dismissed. In the event you don't, a judgment and a writ of eviction can be filed at the same time. We wouldn't have to come back to court. So good luck. Wish you well. Have a great day.
There's just no way this sovereign citizen is paying that kind of money. I mean, if he's out here refusing to pay $500 a month in rent, what makes the court? Think he's suddenly going to cough up $700? He's already behind, clearly doesn't understand how court works, and yet here he is acting like he's untouchable. What really threw me off, though, was the ending. Usually, these sovereign citizens start yelling or go on some wild rant when things don't go their way. But this dude, he just sat there and took it like nothing happened. Honestly, maybe he used up all his energy reading that little internet script and had nothing left to argue with. It's funny how they think a few lines of copy-pasted legal jargon are going to outsmart the entire justice system. But yeah, he learned today, and probably the hard way. What did you guys think of this one? I thought that ending was super weird. Let me know in the comments, and I'll try to track down the follow-up to this hearing, especially if he ends up not paying, which, let's be real, seems pretty likely. Thanks for watching, and if you want more content like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you in the next one. Take care, everyone.